Are you struggling with dark corners in your home, but still have a desire to fill them with life? The good news is, not all plants require a sun bath to thrive. Today we're exploring some amazing plants that grow without sunlight and are perfect for low light indoor conditions. Let's dive in. Dracena. Meet the Dracena family. With 50 different species, there's a Dracena for everyone. These easy house plants love occasional pruning and regular water, but be sure to keep them away from direct sun. Bromelias love vibrant colors. Bromelias can grow even under luminescent light. No sun, no problem for these shade-loving beauties. Maidenhair fern. Elegant and captivating, the maidenhair fern is a classic. Those dark and glossy leaf stalks are just pretty. They're resilient too. Snake plant. Mother-in-law's tongue, or snake plant, is your go-to for a low-maintenance party. Indoor friend. This plant can even brave the darkness. Philodendron. With hardly philodendron, you get adaptability and charm in both fine and shrub forms. What's not to love? Calathea. If you're up for a bit of a challenge, Calathea's beautiful foliage awaits you. Just remember the 13 degrees Celsius minimum temperature requirement. Prayer plant. A tropical delight, but a bit tricky in cooler climates. It's worth the effort when you see those leaves curling into much light. Boston fir. An evergreen houseplant. The Boston fir is both beautiful and adaptable. Just remember to provide right indirect light. Golden pothos. Known as the money plant in Southeast Asia, this low-maintenance vine grows easily and looks stunning without direct sunlight. Duncan. A welcoming addition, but with a caution sign: sap is moderately toxic, so be mindful of its placement around pets and children. If you enjoy, like and subscribe please. Thanks for your watching.